So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Oppo Reno 5. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Oppo Reno 5 are Snapdragon 765, 6.43 inches, Full HD plus OLED display, 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 4300 mAh battery, 90 Hz fast refresh rate, 65 watt fast charging, ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Oppo Reno 5. There are 4 color variants of Oppo Reno 5: blue color, black color, pink color and white color. There are 2 storage variants of Oppo Reno 5: 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 256GB. This is the front side of Oppo Reno 5. This is the back side of Oppo Reno 5. The expected launch date of Oppo Reno 5 will be in the mid of the January. In my opinion, the expected price of Oppo Reno 5 should be below 25,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.